cloudy, rainy day today, which we need it. So the light's going to be kind of funky because the sun's not coming in today. Anyway, I'm going to be doing something new today. I'm going to be doing something called the watercolor design, and you're going to be making a really, hopefully really good ombre pour. And going down the wall, I have my caterpillar tool out. I've never used this before, and I actually had to, it's going to be a lot higher. I actually had to I used some soap bars to make it a little higher because the little ears on the caterpillar stick up way too high, and I want a smooth surface to pour on. So I'm going to be doing that. I'm going to transition. I'm going to start with my black, which is Rustic Essentials, who is now owned by Wholesale Supplies Plus. I'm going to start with the black, then I'm going to fade that into the white, and then I'm going to fade, I've got two things of white, it's the same color, fade the white into the yellow, and then the yellow into the blue. We have to have at least 50% of our recipe either uncolored or white. So that's why I have this, and I want to try to make sure I get to a white. So I don't want to like go from black and go all the way to gray. I want to make sure I get that white in there. That's why I separate it out. And then, so I have to have, in my category, this is for the Challenge Club, I have to have 3 transitions. So I'll have the black to the white, that's 1, the white to the yellow, that's 2, and then the yellow to the blue, which will make a green, that's going to be 3. Okay, let's see. Okay, I've got Bluebell Mica from Nurture Soap. I have Yellow Baby Duck from Wholesale Supplies Plus, and then I have Super Pearly White from Bramble Berry. And then the fragrance I'm going to be using is Green Tea from Essential Depot, and it's very well behaved. It smells really, really nice because I need something that's going to give me a lot of time. I'm going to barely go to emulsification on my oils, do my wall pour, and then what we do is we're going to take another mold, same size. So once this is just set up enough to hold its shape, then I'm going to basically lop it into another mold and then cut it like I would a Taiwan Swirl. So I'll cut off one end bar, and then I'll have my 3 sections that will each get cut into 3 bars. So I'll have 9 soaps with the design. Now to finish it out, there's a lot going on with this one. We have to put some type of embellishment on it. And I ordered some that I want to use. I don't know if it's going to work. Otherwise, I'll just use some soap that I already have, or some designs I already have. I've got some soap dough made that I'll probably use in some type of impression mat or something, but we have to have something to add as an embellishment on the face of the soap. So I'm going to go ahead, get my stuff out of the way, and get started.